Good evening, everybody. This is Khan from Unity's Club. Okay, today I'm going to teach you that how you are going to set the port forwarding on Innacomm W3400V modem, which has been given by the TN. First of all, you need to do is open any browser, go to the address bar, and enter the default address for that, which is 192.168.1.1. Press enter. Once you will enter, you will be able to view the screen. Here, mostly default is TM admin to make changes and TM admin. Then click on log. You will be able to see this screen. On this screen, first thing we need to do is we have to go to advanced app. We are doing this to open the port which will communicate with our DVR, which is at this time connected to this system. First thing you will do, go to advanced setup and you go to net. Once you will go to net, you have to go to port triggering and you will be covering virtual server. So click on virtual server first. As you can see, you have to do this setting. Click on add. In add, you must be able to see this use interface. Then you have to select the custom service. You have to provide any name. Then this address, server IP address, is the address of that product or that service which you are going to connect to. At this time, this one is used. We are using at this time is 39. So here you will go to external port and you will give whatever external port which you have given. Some DVRs you will give 80, some you can give 8080, whatever you want to give, you can give it. But you need to make sure one thing, that you should not give those ports which are being used by other softwares or our computer. Alright, you can have that list. You go to Google and you can search for the IP ports which are reserved. Okay, so first in my DVR I have made setting for 8080, so I enter 8080 and 8080 here, and then from here you have to select TCP UDP. Same like this, we have to go for 3356 and same. Again I have to go to 3357 and this one on top. Then I have to click on apply and save. As I have already created, so I'm not going to click here. I'm going back to virtual server, and once you will click on save and apply, you will be able to see like this. This is your DVR address and all the ports are here. Okay, alright. Second thing is this, then once this is done, what you need to do, you have to go to DNS. In the DNS you have to go to dynamic DNS. In dynamic DNS you have to go to add. Here you will give the host name which you have made on the DYN DNS. I'm not going to explain in this video that how you can create a free account, but in another video I may explain. So you go to DYN DNS, create a free account, activate it, and you will be able to get two domains, two host names to be created. Once you will create this one, enter the host name here and your username and password here. After that, click on apply. You will be able to see that one on the main screen. You will be able to see something like this. In my case, this is the one. Okay, I have created all these informations for the training purpose only. Once the training is over, I will delete all those things. Alright, this is the setting which we need to do in our model. After you do this, click on logout. Now your port is open. Already your port is open for communication. You can minimize this and you go to Internet Explorer. You wanted to check, you go to canyouseeme.org, and when you will go there, it will bring out your external IP and the port that you want to communicate to. You just write that one and click on check. Once you will click on check, you will see this success. Once you are able to see this success, means your port forwarding is done nicely. And now you wanted to see the weather by going to the DVR. Is it communicating with the DVR? So what you're going to do is you will enter the DVR address 192.168.1.39 as I mentioned, colon 8080. Then you will click enter. You will be able to see this screen. Here you can give the password and other things, other informations which you have created in your account. In my case, I have created some information. I will give the password, click OK, and I will be able to see my DVR camera. I have not connected any camera with it, so that's why you can see only a blank. So that is all from this one, from this video. Hope to see you soon again. If you have any comments, do tell me, do write me up. I am going to provide you my email address at the end of this video.